Hello, Matthew Haviland here with Keller Williams Realty and the Prompt team, and today I'm at 106 Lantern Place in Mystic Shores 55 plus community here in Little Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. This is a real rare treat, a really affordable home here, $270,000, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a 1-car garage. I'm going to give you a tour, show you around, tell you a little bit more about the home and the community as we travel through. So join me here for the home tour. All right, so Mystic Shores. You may have seen some of my other videos on the community. I've done a couple of videos on the Mystic Shores community, and this is really one of the most affordable 55 plus communities, I would say, in all of New Jersey. Most homes in a $300,000 range, under 300, some of them. Many of them, if they're really nice renovated, they might be max maybe $350,000. Property tax is pretty reasonable too. Property tax is typically around $4,000, sometimes under that. And HOA fee is about $105 per month for the HOA fee. So this is a really affordable option if you're looking for a 55 and over community and you want to be in New Jersey. We are the southern part of Ocean County. So as you come in, we have a living room area. The nice thing about this is the cathedral ceilings here. So this is about 1,056 square feet, a little over 1,000 square feet, but it feels bigger than that because we have this cathedral ceiling here. Gas fireplace, really nice touch right there. The TVs are included here, going to stay with the sale. We have a dining area. As you can see, it's a nice size dining area, quite large here. Seating for 6 around this table, bay window here looking out to the backyard. There's a sunroom here, I'll show you that in a moment as well. And then we have an eat-in kitchen area, breakfast nook here, great window looking out to the backyard. And then here's a look at the kitchen. And again, this is all pretty nice open flow here. We've got the living room, goes right into the dining room, and then right into the kitchen. And cathedral ceilings in here as well. So this does feel nice and spacious here. We have electric range here. There is a pantry here. Got your sink, dishwasher, a good amount of cabinet space here too. And something I always find interesting, look at this. We've got the very retro intercom radio system here, pretty cool. Even has the little dial, you can dial in your radio station there, pretty neat. Refrigerator over here on this side. Tile floor here as well. So tile floor and then carpeted through the house as well. Tiles in good condition. Right off the kitchen we have the utility room. We've got a stack washer and dryer. We've got a newer heating unit. So the roof is newer in this home, the heating and air conditioning, and also the windows have been replaced. They're newer as well. We have 1-car garage right here. So very convenient coming in from the street here. Insulated garage door too. Got your electric panel there. And then right back in. So let me show you the rest of the house. We still have to take a look at the bedrooms and then also show you around a little bit the backyard and the sunroom. So we'll show you that as well. And then we're back right out to the living room area. So again, great space here. We've got that living room with the cathedral ceiling. And then coming into the bedrooms are on the other side of the house. First off, the guest bedroom here in the back. This is a smaller size bedroom, but nice condition. TV again included here with the bedroom. We have hardwood floors here. Here's a look at the hall bathroom. Tile floor here. We have a vanity, a white vanity, and then a tub with the shower, all in very nice condition there. As we head out to the front side of the house, this is where the owner suite is. We come through this door. We have the bathroom here to the right. Really nice size vanity there. We've got the large mirror. There's a big window in here too, which is nice. I like to have that natural light in the bathroom. We have a toilet and a step-in shower. Okay. And then as we head to the back, one of the nice features is not a smaller size house, that little over 1,000 square feet, but we do have a nice walk-in closet here, which is awesome. So we've got the walk-in closet. This is the owner suite here, and cathedral ceilings again. So we have those cathedral ceilings, really helps give it a really nice spacious feel to the room. And then we have another closet here. So actually 2 closets in the owner suite. We got the cathedral ceiling and the TV included here as well. Here's a look at that intercom stereo system here. So that does go throughout the house. So let me show you the patio, the backyard. I think I have to take this bar out of the house. Bar out of the door, hold on a second. All right. So back here we have a sunroom. This will be more of a 3-season sunroom. There's no heat, there's no air conditioning out here, but really nice and bright. Great space to be able to enjoy the outdoors, but still be protected from the bugs. There's a patio back here in the back. And then we can step out here and you can see it's actually a really nice size backyard. So one of the things with the Mystic Shores community, the homeowner is responsible for the landscaping and the snow removal. So that's why they can keep that HOA fee as low as it is. But you see the homeowner is responsible for the HOA. You can see the previous homeowner did spend a lot of care here just making these beds beautiful. We've got some flowers blooming here already. So the nice thing about it is it does give you a chance, if you like to do some gardening. It's not a huge yard, but you do have some space to be able to do it and be able to showcase some of your gardening skills here. So that's the tour of 106 Lantern Place here in Little Lake Harbor. Hope you enjoyed the tour. And if you want to learn more about living in Little Lake Harbor, you want to watch this video next. And I will include also a link in the video description for some more details. You can view the pictures and details of this home. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.